Hello guys, so we are here to see the price action and how the price tells everything to us. Uh, we just have to start reading it more carefully. So on we will discuss the price action and trade. How could have we traded on January 10th? So let's see first the context. On daily time frame, huge, almost 2 weeks of excuse me, consolidation and then a break and healthy continuation of that. On hourly time frame, we see there is absolutely no retracement at all. The huge candles forming. The first real retracement came on 6th and then on 7th, and 10th is our day where we want to trade. So on 6th and 7th, now we know that sellers are coming in or people are trying to book their profits now. So let me show you once on 5 minute time frame how the price has shot up. So here the breakout, previous day breakout had happened, and this is the day where the price started rallying up. These intraday corrections are to be ignored when seeing from bird's eye view, and it's going up and up. There's absolutely no sort of retracement. Even the retracements which are happening are so weak. Like the angle of retracement is so weak, and you and here even on the 6th when the gap down retracement happened, gap down correction happened, it was still forming higher uh, thing lower higher lows, and uh, this was consolidating and then it broke, forming higher highs. So uh, and then on 7th January a huge correction happened. From here the actual correction intraday correction happened. After moving up here, we had a good opportunity to buy. But what I'm trying to say is now the buyers and sellers, here the buying selling has come into place. Whether it's profit booking or selling is happening, I guess both. After here the profit booking must have happened. Here I think, I guess, selling and profit booking both has happened. But it's not like people are not buying over here. If you see, it's not in the buying territory yet. It's not in the, sorry, it's not in the sell territory yet. So coming to 10th. Oh, what happened? Just a second. If you see, this is this was the previous resistance from where good selling started happening, and price broke, but it couldn't sustain itself, came down. It also happens to be the previous day high, which is an important uh, what you call marker on the chart. Again, although it didn't break the day low, it went up, still showing some strength. It wasn't able to break the day, it wasn't able to even close, although it broke the day high, but it wasn't able to close above the previous day high. Not the previous day high, the current day high. There was no, the price didn't close, it came back down again. If you see, that correction happened here, correction happened, although this was a gap correction happened. So uh, you see that you can comfortably sell over here, although with a very mild quantity, not with the full quantity you would go in buying, because of course on the higher time frame, hourly and daily as well, both the higher time frames, uh, there's still, what do you say, in strongly in uptrend. At least daily it's very strongly in uptrend. Not a single red candle has been formed. uh, so you can sell it over here keeping a target of maybe this place. Uh, Around 100 point move is more than enough for a day in options. If you're trading options, even futures, it's more than enough. If you're buying even single lot, then it will easily give you 1,000 rupee profit. So 100. So yeah, keeping price in mind. See, the price is struggling to go up. Intraday price, what all we have seen is uh, behavior of price on the day previous to our day of action. Day of action, if we say this is the day of action, the price behavior on the previous day and the day previous to it, there are sellers now coming in there. We can expect corrections which we can trade. Corrections also happened. If you see, corrections also happened over here, intraday corrections. But would you have been able to trade these? Of course never. You couldn't have been able to. These are all time corrections. You couldn't have, no, you couldn't have traded these. Absolute, as soon as, see, this breakdown happen, as soon as you take it, again reverse. And from where? Absolutely nowhere. Maybe this 36,500. Is to when the price is strongly in uptrend, it doesn't just needs one, what do you call, candle to just fire back to its own position. So you definitely don't want to trade against the trend. Here you can trade against the trend, but still yet with very great caution.